हम एक तरह से एनवायरनमेंट का ध्यान रख
रखते
के
हुए
कैंडल्स भी बनाते हैं।
definitely paraffin wax is one wax which absorbs and gives out, diffuses more fragrance.
Right.
But bees wax is very difficult because it has its own natural fragrance.
Right.
I prefer soy wax unless somebody requests me for a bees wax candle. From being a necessity, it has come down now to a piece of a luxury, a piece of decor. I feel that, a candle has that magic in it. Candles are also used for different reasons. Some people also make candles for their chakra cleansing.
Oh.
Different colored candles,
Okay.
related to meditation.
Okay.
Anything that is, done by hand. Nothing can match that.
Right.
That art, that creativity, that comes from within. A person who's actually planning to start their business, I think the first thing they should work upon is to get premium quality raw material. They have to work on their branding, their innovation. Plus, of course, that digital presence is required. That e-commerce platform is very much required these days.
Okay.
If something has come or has not worked for you, you just need to evolve yourself more. Be positive and stand up again and be a fighter. Never give up. Everything is there online today. Nothing is a secret.
Hello, Khushamdeen, and welcome to our podcast series Echoes and Edges. आज कौन सी गूंज हमारे साथ जुड़ी है? वो गूंज हमारे लिए लाई है खुशबू, जिसे हम फ्रेग्रेंस भी कहते हैं। उसी के साथ उसने हमारी रोशनी जोड़ दी है। ये तो एक कॉम्बो हो गया। तो आज शिवानी कपूर जी हमारे पास आई हैं, जो एक आर्टिस्टिक कैंडल मेकर हैं। हाय शिवानी, हाउ आर यू?
Hi Anurag, I'm good. How are you?
Great to hear that. आप एक आर्टिस्टिक कैंडल मेकर हैं, बट कैंडल में सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए, वैक्स डलती है तो असली तो उसका मुद्दा होता है, तो ये वैक्स कहाँ से आती है?
See, candle, there are three types of waxes.
जी.
One is paraffin, the other is soy wax, there is beeswax also.
Okay.
So you have to choose which wax you want. So paraffin is basically a chemical wax,
Okay.
which comes from petroleum or coal or oil.
Okay.
So it is colorless, it is odorless, so it actually absorbs more fragrance and it gives out, it diffuses more fragrance.
जी.
But it is chemical, it leaves soot. So the other waxes, the soy wax and the beeswax, they are natural waxes.
Achha.
Soy wax is plant-based, and beeswax, which will come from, the bees, they make their beehive where they keep their larvae. So there, this wax is made.
Okay.
So soy wax, again, it gives a very smooth finish. I prefer soy wax also.
Okay.
And compared to paraffin wax, it has a higher melting point. So the burning time will be more.
Okay.
Yeah. So beeswax has even a higher melting point, plus it has cleansing properties. But the only thing is that environmentally it's a bit, not favorable, just because it will be disturbing to the bee community.
So
bee colony, I should say. Yeah.
So जैसा कि आपने कहा, so here also यहाँ पे भी हम एक तरह से environment का ध्यान रख
रखते हुए
कैंडल्स भी बनाते हैं।
Definitely.
जो
Definitely.
जी।
See, if we go, there will be fragrant candles also. There will be non-fragrant candles also.
बिल्कुल।
Now these, this beeswax, it has its own natural fragrance.
Absolutely.
So अगर कोई ये prefer करता है कि उनको fragrant candles की जरूरत है, ठीक है? So paraffin wax is one wax which absorbs and gives out, diffuses more fragrance.
Right.
Then comes soy wax.
Okay.
It is able to take in fragrance and give out. But beeswax is very difficult because it has its own natural fragrance.
Right.
But it does have that cleansing property to it.
Okay.
But if you are more environmentally conscious, so I feel that you would prefer, like I prefer soy wax unless somebody requests me for a beeswax candle.
Okay. So basically these are the three options.
Yeah, these are the three options.
Of course, ये वो बात हो गई कि जो बेस्ट है वही आप आगे प्रोवाइड कराएं.
Yeah.
Right. वैक्स और कैंडल से हम अगर आगे बढ़ें, तो अगर कैंडल्स या लाइट की बात करें, तो ये तो हमें सदियों से मिलती आ रही है.
Right.
तो हिस्ट्री में जाएं तो कुछ आप उस बारे में बताएं, बिकॉज आप खुद एक कैंडल मेकर हैं, तो ये पहले इसका कैसे इनोवेशन हुआ, या हम पहले सुनते थे कि भाई हाथ में दिए होते थे और समथिंग ऑफ दी सॉर्ट, उसी से आग जला के ही काम चलता था.
See,
Can you
of
tell us
course,
about
if
that?
we go to that, prehistoric और वो that early human era, तो of course वो fire वो चलाते थे, bonfire
Yeah,
होती
बिल्कुल
थी and
बिल्कुल.
all that. But slowly, of course, to light up the house, people started
जी.
using वो मशालें use करते थे,
हाँ हाँ
lanterns use करते थे, दिए
जी.
use करते थे. Then
जी.
candles came into picture.
जी
But those were that time candles were basically for necessity.
जी.
कि हमें लाइट चाहिए, देयर वाज नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, तो
हम्म.
लाइट चाहिए तो हमें हमारे पास कैंडल्स ही हैं टू
हम्म.
लाइट अप द हाउस और टू लाइट अप द रूट्स. इवन महलों में या पैलेसेस में वी सी दैट देयर आर
हम्म.
प्लेसेस वेयर दे हैव प्लेसेस फॉर स्पेशली डिजाइन्ड फॉर लैंटर्न्स, फॉर
राइट.
दियाज, फॉर
बिल्कुल
कैंडल्स,
बिल्कुल
you
बिल्कुल.
know. So but from that place of being a necessity,
हम्म.
from being a necessity, it has come down now to a, a piece of luxury, you know,
हम्म.
a piece of decor.
Right.
And plus I feel that, you know, a candle has that magic in it. You know, it can immediately uplift anybody's mood, you
Mood,
know,
yeah.
change the aura of the place, change the energy, spread that energy.
Right, right.
So I think now the, you know, meaning
That
of having a candle
changes
has
have come
completely
within this
changed.
also.
Yes.
Right, right. So, like you said, changes of mood. Even you feel even this is also being used in a lot of meditation
Practices,
places.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, lot of meditation practices, lot of religious rituals also. Some
Absolutely,
people
yeah,
use
yeah.
candles for a lot of things, sometimes for a moonlight meditation, you know, they have those specific special candles for it.
Right.
So even for your well-being, sometimes, you know, you have those candles with
Candles,
you.
yeah.
So you know, in fact, sometimes even I make those crystal candles or herbs
Okay.
candles, which is good, you know, otherwise also. So candles are also used for different reasons. Some people also make candles for their chakra cleansing,
Oh,
different colored candles,
okay.
you know, related to meditation.
Okay, okay.
So you know, certain fragrances infused in
Okay.
them, you know, certain
I
fragrances.
surely will come to this one. But
Yeah,
which you told me, chakra healing.
yeah.
इसके लिए भी specific candles होती हैं.
Yeah, the fragrances in the candles, you know, those
Okay.
fragrances for those different chakras.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think there is, the sky is the limit, you know, like for
Absolutely.
the candles.
So, like you said, fragrances.
Yeah.
Now, how do you infuse? या इसमें कैसे डाली जाती है अलग-अलग तरह की fragrances? Colors पे मैं आऊँगा अभी. But
Yeah.
fragrances का
So
पहले
again,
आप
there is a very you know, specific technicality, specific
Okay.
temperature when we have to you know, add the fragrance oil in it.
बताओ. Okay.
So, and plus, because it is not as you know, less dense, or it is more dense than water, so you have to, you know, there's a process of mixing that fragrance into wax so that it is uniformly mixed with the wax completely, so that the whole candle smells, you know. Sometimes people do say, you know, ऊपर ऊपर से fragrance आई थी जब हमने थोड़ी चलाई, but जैसे वो deeper गई, fragrance खत्म हो गई.
हाँ.
So it's just that it has not been mixed very properly or uniformly in the wax.
While
So
making.
while making.
Okay.
And the temperature, you know, that cold throw and hot throw, everything depends on the temperature at which we mix that fragrance with the wax.
Okay. Okay. So, you work practically in a hybrid setup.
Yeah.
So how is it now? As of today, हम कहें 2025 में तो हम आ गए होंगे. आपने काफी टाइम से कर रही हैं काम. तो वो कैसा आपको लगा जब आपने अपना ही स्टार्टअप शुरू किया?
See, in today's day, I think having to be connected digitally is very important.
Right.
I think from again, जैसे times have evolved कि जहाँ पे मोमबत्ती सिर्फ हमें एक जरूरत की चीज से एक वो हो गई है, वैसे ही जब हम physically shopping करने जाते थे, आजकल online shopping is trending.
Yeah.
People don't have time to
वो
go to
भी
the
एक समय था
market.
कि लाइट गई
And-
तो मोमबत्ती जला लो.
हाँ, it's
Right.
a matter of convenience also कि आपको घर
बिल्कुल.
बैठे मिल जाता है. तो working on that platform, on that e-commerce platform and digitally connecting, you know, it is very important these days.
Okay.
So I look at efficiency so that online and offline, both the processes just work seamlessly.
Okay. So, how, according to you, a specific artifact business, say in 21st century, really runs, or it is more difficult to reach the mindset of the people? it could be candles and other like paintings, candles, other
Handicrafts.
handicrafts.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I feel that anything that is made by hand
Right.
is really appreciated,
Okay.
whether it is Indian market or whether it is global market. Anything that is, done by hand, nothing can match that.
Right.
That art, that creativity that comes from within. So anything that is created with that, a beautiful insight or intuition, I think nothing can beat that. So I think
True.
that the value and the demand of that product can never go.
Go.
And of course, the quality, the
Right.
sustainability also matters
So-
of that product.
Absolutely. That means there has to be purity in it.
There has to be purity.
And
in it.
that leads to
The raw material has to be of good quality.
quality.
The product has to be of good quality.
absolutely.
See, not only the technology that has evolved, even the awareness in customer, the demand in customer, even that thought process has also evolved.
Has evolved.
So you are answerable to people who are, paying you or who are buying your product.
Right.
So you have to maintain that quality.
Bilkul. So purity reminds me, your startup's name is Satvika.
Yeah.
So that of course means purity.
Yes.
So how did you come up with this specific name?
So Satvika is a passion project,
Okay.
and it started under the guidance and advice of my gurus.
Right.
So
Right.
they are the ones who believed in Satvika. They are the ones who encouraged me, who gave this name
Okay.
Satvika,
Okay.
and they gave the tagline "Candles with a Soul."
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how my passion of making candles came to be my profession.
Right.
And now, from making it from home, Satvika is turning into a brand,
Absolutely.
which is reaching out to
So
people.
yeah, absolutely. So you have a lot of blessings with you, and the thing is going really up now. So
I feel the whole
we-
credit is there only. That
there and your hard work.
the divine blessing.
Absolutely. Your
Yes.
hard work, their blessings.
I am only
totally
an
agree.
instrument. I feel sometimes I'm
Bilkul,
just an
bilkul.
instrument for them.
Ji, bilkul. You look up to somebody who's your idol, or there are a lot of female entrepreneurs who started their own business,
There are lots, yes.
and do you kind of look up to them, or do you kind of know few names which you feel also they have done so much, where you have, this is the kind of line where you have also started?
Yeah. So there are definitely people around you, not only people who are famous, but there are other people also in your life which really, really inspire you.
Right.
But if you ask me to name a few who have made a name for themselves in this world, I feel there is Mrs. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, who's a chairperson of executive chairperson of
Right.
Bicon.
Yeah.
I think her journey, entrepreneurial
Yes.
journey, is truly inspiring.
Truly.
Truly inspiring. And of course, I'm a big fan of Maharani Gayatri Devi.
Oh, great.
I feel, like she is an icon, whether it comes to fashion, whether it comes to, her politics, she,
Yeah,
or whether, like as a sports person.
person. Yeah,
So,
multi-talent.
as a philanthropist, I think
Yeah, yeah.
she has excelled in she has lived for her aspirations. She has
True.
been so passionate about her work.
True,
I
true.
think, so I really, really admire that lady.
Agree.
So,
Totally agree.
yeah.
Okay, coming on to, if somebody wants to run a startup,
Yeah.
आप क्या advice देना चाहोगे?
See, a startup, a person who's actually planning to start their business, I think the first thing they should work upon is to get premium quality raw material. They have to work on their branding,
जी.
their innovation. Plus, of course, that digital presence is required. That e-commerce platform is very much required these days.
Okay.
So I think it's a combination of lot of things: your team, your innovation, your craftsmanship, your how you are, your goals towards sustainability, and your innovation. Everything, I think it's and how socially and environmentally responsible you are. I
Do you
think,
feel, of course, you said team.
yeah,
So that of course includes, उसमें team management भी आता है.
definitely,
Of course, man management भी कह सकते हैं. A lot of youth,
yeah.
they also start their businesses as soon as they are out of college. Some are successful, some are not. For them, what do you advise? I mean, in a way, maybe they are doing it too early, or they are not really planning it in a way, or somebody who's like really enthusiastic and just immediately going that we'll
See,
do
I
it?
feel there is nothing called as not successful. I think it's
Hmm.
just a learning.
Right.
I mean, if you are not able to reach your goal, it is just a learning. That means you just need to improve your skills probably, or need to just, learn more and just need to experience more or enhance, you
Right.
know, the kind of skills or
Skills.
where
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
want to reach, you have to work for that. So
Right.
probably it's just a period where you need to work more.
Right.
So we have so many stories who have been, people who have been so unsuccessful, complete
Hmm.
continuous failures, but then they stand up and they become successful. So
जी
it's,
बिल्कुल
so
बिल्कुल.
the point to remember is that if something has come or has not worked for you, you just need to evolve yourself more, be
Right.
positive and stand up again and be a
True.
fighter, never give up.
Never give up.
So
True.
that is what I feel. And these days the younger generation is very conscious of the values. They are
Hmm.
connected to the environment, what the need is of the society.
True.
They are socially responsible also.
True.
They are digitally connected also.
Connected.
They are
Yeah.
more
Considering the social.
yeah, everything. So they are like my daughter only, I feel, when it comes to get for Satvika also on a digital platform, she has, I think she does wonders to it. She adds so much quality to it. I
Hmm.
have another person, Ishan, who's in my team, who
Okay.
handles my social media, and he's a young boy who works really hard and has such good ideas.
Right. Right.
So I feel this generation is very innovative, is very technically efficient, or they're used to all this,
True.
and
True.
socially responsible, and they're connected to the emotional needs of the audience also.
Audience. Right.
They know how to sustain their product also. They know what is the need of the society. So I think, yeah.
True. Okay, let's come back to your candles. So, how do you design them? I mean, how does the design come up? You have so many varieties. We have your candles here also.
Yeah.
So, but each and every design is totally marvelous. हर कुछ नया देखने को मिलता है. आप चाहे दिवाली पे कुछ इवॉल्व करते हो या किसी भी फेस्टिवल के लिए आप बनाते हैं, so there is a beautiful design which evolves.
Thank
वो
you
आप
so
कैसे,
much.
मतलब how do you think of it and how do you make it?
What I have experienced is that even candle making is like meditation, and
Right.
Lots of it just comes, intuitively. It's like, you're making an art piece,
Hmm.
whether it is a painting or it is a candle. I feel it is, if you're in tune with your, I think it just flows through. That
Right.
is what I feel. It just
Okay.
flows through.
Okay. So, color forms, the candle making process,
Yeah.
and of course the fragrance.
Yeah.
So these are the three things which you really work on.
Yes.
So what kind of fragrances do you imply, और आपके पास ऐसा क्या क्या special होता है?
See,
तो
I
ये-
have all kind of fragrances like lavender, rose.
Okay.
Then there is oud also, amber, and sandalwood, jasmine, mogra. So there are lots and lots of coffee, but
Okay.
apple cinnamon. So
Oh.
like, but different people have different requirements. Like during,
coffee and all, how does it?
see, during
it's really-
Christmas or Easter, people prefer those apple cinnamon kind of fragrance,
Okay.
or a coffee or a cocoa vanilla, or
ये
those
मिलती
kind
कहाँ
of.
पे है coffee fragrance?
Again, there are dealers and manufacturers who are
Okay.
into making
Okay.
good fragrances.
So let's keep it a
So-
secret as of now.
Everything is there online today. Nothing is
Okay.
a secret, but yes, to find the right person to
yeah.
get the right fragrances is very important.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you idolize somebody? I mean, you got into candle making. First thing is, how come you got into candle making?
And that's
I
what
mean,
I
were you doing something else and then you decided?
see. When I was in school, I never thought of myself as somebody who can create art or who can be happy with arts. I never
Right.
explored that side of me.
Right.
So the person you asked, I idolize, is my guru, because somewhere they encouraged me, my gurus, they encouraged me to explore, artistic, lot of things, lot of fields.
Right.
So I slowly got into candle making, which really caught me, and kind of just, I was just taken with it. And so in their advice, they saw something, they saw the potential, and then through them, I was able to start it.
Okay. Okay. So, how about your family and who all are there in your family?
So my husband, and I have two kids, my daughter and my son. So of course, without their support, Satvika wouldn't have been possible, because
Right.
I started it from home. I
Okay.
took up a place in the home, and they were very kind enough to give me that space to work. And yeah, and I think my daughter, as I said, she has a lot of ideas. She keeps encouraging me. She keeps giving me her inputs, and so I feel, yes, my family has been my biggest
The
support. My
backbone,
husband
if
kept
we say.
encouraging
Yeah.
me. He would always say that, don't worry, just do,
Hmm.
just do, just go,
Mhm.
just go all out and do your work. So I think those small words also, these words make a lot of difference in you, when
Right.
you're working. So these words
बिल्कुल,
of encouragement really makes a
makes
difference.
sense. You feel such businesses will further grow in 21st century? इस
Definitely,
तरह के,
definitely.
considering whatever
I
kind of
think,
atmosphere environment we are in, but these kind of businesses, people really love them.
yes, I think they will thrive, because I think it comes under another, topic, which is self love.
Okay.
Like when you want to, anything that gives you happiness,
Right.
so that self love, certain things, enhance that, resonates with that.
Right.
So I feel that, like this is one of those things which creates that in you. And
True.
so I feel that, yes, definitely it will
Okay.
always be in demand.
Okay. So, specific to, if we say creative candle making,
Yeah.
so what kind of audience it has?
See, Satvika as of now has a very niche audience,
Okay.
or customers or client, you can say, who are into premium luxury candles.
Okay.
So as with the awareness grows, I think the market will grow with it. Yes.
And
Everything, yeah.
please.
So now the candles is basically also about customization.
Hmm.
So people will come with me for different, asking me candles for different occasions. Sometimes it will be a birth of a baby. Sometimes it will be the 50th birthday, or a 75th birthday,
Right.
or a golden anniversary.
Right.
So I customize candles according to their needs. Sometimes it's a birthday party return gift, which they have certain themes in mind.
Themes, yeah.
So now candle making is not just a simple candle. No, from making single color, it has, I think, sky is the limit now. You have
Absolutely.
dessert candles, you have, jar candles, you have candles like this, which is just like a piece of art, like a,
Right. True.
handcrafted and like a
Absolutely.
carving. So even carved candles are there.
Okay.
So I think, and so many techniques are involved in making different candles.
So, what kind of candles are you making? What are the shapes? And if you can tell us, like, this specific candle is in a specific
Bowl.
bowl.
Yeah, jar, you can say.
Jar.
So,
So,
I
tell
make
us about this.
pillar candles also. I
Okay.
make jar candles also.
Okay.
So I look up to my ceramic jar candles. Why ceramic or porcelain jars also I use? Because I also use brass.
Okay.
So the ceramic and porcelain is something which I feel that once you have burnt the candle is extinguished. You can again use it as your serving
Okay, so
platter,
this
or whatever
can
you
be
would
used. Okay.
reused. So it is
Okay.
reusable also.
Okay.
Even the wax is reusable. Once the candle has melted, you can just collect the wax again. You can shape it or put it in a jar, put a wick, and you can again use the candle. Use it
Okay.
as
So,
candle.
I mean, you're talking about this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Any wax, even if it melts, this wax also you can collect, right? You can
Okay.
collect, you can again make a candle out of it.
Okay. And these candles would also have various fragrances.
Yes, that is also again customizable, because
Customizable.
whatever, as I said, in Christmas different fragrances are asked. Like in Diwali, it is more about sandalwood.
Right.
It is more about like jasmine, and the fragrances which people like. So every, otherwise whatever people prefer mostly.
Right.
The need, like lavender is is one fragrance which makes you calm. Just before sleeping, if you have that fragrance around, it just brings in that tranquility and that calmness.
So, what kind of occasion comes where you are really like, you have to supply so many candles, or it's a very high demand? Is it like, especially
Diwali, especially
Diwali?
I think from August, when your Rakhi and your the wedding season starts, or these festivals start. I think that time, I think there is no night and there is no day.
Okay.
It's like that. It's a very, very demanding time of the
Okay.
year, like these 6 months from August to December is like a,
It's terribly high
yeah,
demand.
it is.
So you also said the demand for like birthdays
Yeah,
and
so
babies
that goes
coming.
throughout the year.
It's all
But Diwali is
happening.
exceptional, as you know, because it's celebrated in such a big way, and everybody that time,
Right.
is in need of candles, or they
Right.
need something different.
Right.
So unique, So
Right.
sometimes, people do prefer to have something like this added
Right,
to
right,
their,
right.
yeah,
Right.
Diwali gifting.
Okay, okay. And see, you're making flowers here.
Yeah.
So this also is another technology which you use.
Yeah, it's a technique again. Yes.
Okay.
The color combinations, probably the shades also. Then
Okay.
sometimes I also add something like pearls and
Oh.
luster dust to it. So every
Okay.
candle is different. So
Okay.
somewhere a luster dust is needed, somewhere pearls I need to add. Sometimes it's different.
Okay.
Sometimes
So,
dry flowers.
okay. So what is the one which you feel and your favorite?
Candles are my favorite. That I can say. I just love candles. I love to have candles all around.
Right.
Yeah, but like for me, most satisfying is something which really, something like this. When I create something new, something just new turns up, and I feel I like to try, something
Right,
new.
right.
Keep on innovating, keep on evolving as a candle maker myself.
Right.
So when I'm able to learn a new technique, or I'm
Right.
able to, that gives me most happiness. So all candles are basically my
My
favorite.
favorite. Okay, there's a very common thing which I do ask in every podcast I do about artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
So AI has, I will not even say evolving, AI अब evolve हो चुका है.
Hmm.
So your thoughts on artificial intelligence, where it is for me, it is more like what I understood. You just do a click and ask for something, you get it. So what do you feel about it?
I think AI definitely, where it comes to innovating designs, it
Yeah.
will be helpful, and also making processes easier
Hmm.
and more efficient. I feel, yeah, AI will be helpful.
Right.
But to artisanal, businesses like Satvik, I feel that hand and that emotional touch and that handmade thing will always be required. It cannot
Right.
replace that.
You cannot walk away from your own hard
Yeah,
work.
yeah. That
Be
I
it
feel
AI
will
or
always be
anything.
there. Yes.
So robots cannot make candles, but we need to do it.
Yes.
Absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely. Okay, just tell everyone the name of your website.
So it is satvika.shop.
Satvika.shop.
Yes.
So we are telling everyone satvika.shop. Anyone, for anytime you want to purchase a candle which is more like an artistic candle, you will go to satvika.shop and it is always open for you. Thank you, Shivani.
Thank you
for
so much,
joining us.
Anurag, for having me. Thank you.
Anytime. And I'm the next person buying candles from you now.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
एक्कोस जब भी आती हैं हमारी एजेस उसको समेट लेती हैं. आज खुशबू और लाइट और उसके ऊपर एक ज्ञान हमें मिला. हमसे हमेशा जुड़े रहिएगा, क्योंकि अनदेखा और अनजाना चेहरा हमारे साथ जुड़ता है और हमें कुछ ना कुछ ज्ञान देके जाता है.